Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's your boy Terrence Carter, and I am here, back at it again with another video for y'all. So, a couple things that I am going to talk to you guys about in today's video. The first thing is my retention journey and the fact that, yes, I am on day one. I did get intimate with my lady. I'm going to keep it real with y'all. And sometimes you gotta watch what you be saying, bro. I ain't gonna front. But yes, I am on day one. That is it though. I ain't releasing no more. It's quiet. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna retain my essence. And this time I'm aiming for 2 years. Not even gonna front. 2 years and longer. Real talk. And then the second thing I am gonna talk to you guys about in today's video, for those that's in the stock market, you know what I'm saying? For those that's looking for like ETFs, which is in exchange traded fund, my fault, y'all. Exchange traded fund, right? If you're looking for 3 ETFs that you may want to add to your portfolio, which I personally have in my portfolio, I'm gonna talk to you guys about it in today's video. S&P 500, VNQ, which is the Vanguard Real Estate Index Fund, and VTI. All right, so I have my notes for today's video. I'm also going to show you guys a couple of stocks that I did purchase today because it is Monday. So yeah, I'm gonna share all of that today with you guys in the video. I'm not editing nothing, any mistakes that I make in the video, it's just gonna stay in the vid. All right. Thank you to anybody that's been supporting the channel. Thank you to everybody that's new to the channel, returning supporters, all that good stuff. If this is your first time to the channel, subscribe if you want to. If not, it's alright. Give the video a thumbs up if you gain something from the video so that we reach more people. And leave your comments below. Now, first thing, retention. I know I haven't been making like retention videos like that as of lately. Number one, because YouTube, I honestly feel like YouTube is not really like, yeah, they push the retention content, but as a content creator, right, you want to, number one, add value to the people, and number two, you want to at least feel as if the value that I'm adding to the people is going to bring me something in return. You know what I'm saying? So, me personally, I'm going to keep it 1,000 with y'all on this channel. I don't care. YouTube been giving me like breadcrumbs for, you know, putting out retention videos and no-fat videos, whatever the case may be. Am I ever going to stop the journey? Absolutely not. Am I ever going to stop talking to you guys about it? Absolutely not, right? This journey is a lifestyle. I just know for myself, I deserve better. Real talk. So, like I told y'all, finding my way into the financial niche. Why? Because it's important to talk about. So is retention, so is no-fat. But I can't get paid breadcrumbs, okay? But yeah. So, but like I said earlier in the video, in the beginning of the video, yes, I am back to day one. Yes, it's a lifestyle, but every day does count, okay? Previous to that though, I ain't gonna front, I was only on like a 6-day like streak, right? And then prior to that, I was like 103 days, 104 days. I have the Manhood app on my phone. So for those that's like on the journey, and you may want an app that you can use to like count the days for you, whatever the case may be, just download the Manhood app, alright? But yeah, alright, so I'm gonna keep it down to the time, bro. Like, I've been training in the gym. I definitely feel the difference in my body, alright? I definitely feel like the energetic difference, you know what I'm saying? And I get it, bro. Like, I ain't gonna front to y'all. When you in a relationship, the journey might be a little bit tougher for you, right? Yes, my woman respects my retention journey. Yes, she respects it 1,000%. But like I said, bro, like, you gotta watch what you be saying. Sometimes you might get intimate with your lady and you know what I'm saying? And yeah, it just happens. But knowing like, alright, one time is good enough because your body is gonna feel that, right? And then knowing like you don't want to have that chaser effect. You feel me? So, but like I said, I definitely feel the difference in my energy levels. Right now, even with me making this video, I'm like, yo, bro, like just let them know, right? Ain't nothing wrong with letting the people know. And that's it, bro. Word. My next goal now is I'm aiming for 2 years, because I already did a year and 10 months on retention before, right? But now I'm aiming for 2 years. Keep it real with y'all. So I want to surpass my longest streak that I ever did before, you know. But outside of that, bro, everybody out there in the community, keep on retaining, bro. Keep on retaining. For the people that keep saying it's a placebo, it's fake, it don't have no effects, bro, yes it does, bro. You will feel the difference. I don't care who you are. If you just a regular person that never been on retention, you never been on no fat, then that's on you, bro. You're gonna just continuously feel like low energy. But for me, from my personal experience, oh yeah, I know, bro. This is a necessity. Word. Alright, second thing. Now we're gonna talk about 3 ETFs for you guys. I have my notes here, so I wrote down year to date and how the stocks have been doing in the past year. I know this is like 2 different things in one video, but listen, man, we multi-dimensional beings, so it is what it is. So first thing I'm talking to you guys about before the ETFs is the stocks that I bought today. So today I purchased Amazon, Tesla, Google, and VTI. All right, I did a little bit of dollar cost averaging, and I bought fractional shares. That's the good thing that I embrace about the stock market, and depending on the brokerage that you use, which majority of brokerages allow you to purchase fractional shares. So if you don't have the full amount for the stock, right, you can just put a couple dollars away and that's it. You feel me? And you eventually, you know, build your way up. It may take a little bit longer, but who cares, right? This is a journey. All right. So yeah, I purchased those stocks today. Those are all in my long-term portfolio, and that's it. I'm staying the course. Real talk. Now, top 3 ETFs for you guys. S&P 500. That's number 1, right? The S&P 500. You need to hold the S&P 500 in your portfolio. Why? Because you're not gonna be like it's not gonna put that much stress on your mind, I guess, if you are so worried about what one company is doing and this, that, and the third. You're giving yourself room to in some way, shape, or form, own very, very valuable stocks, right? Because this ETF has 503 stocks in it. So I'm just saying, owning some valuable companies all in one ETF, okay? Year to date, it's up $54.14 with the making of this video, which is 11.39%. And in the past year, it's up $114.22, which is 27.51%. That's amazing, if you ask me, right? I'm just saying, y'all. Listen, man. Own the S&P 500. It's only right, okay? The second ETF that I'm gonna talk about. See, look, keeping all this in the video. I don't care, bro. I'm keeping all this in the video. The second ETF that I'm gonna talk to you guys about is VNQ. All right. So VNQ, Vanguard Real Estate Index Fund, is you basically owning the majority of the real estate or all of the real estate, right, in the stock market, which is greatness. And I get it. Sometimes real estate, it been fluctuating, right? Real estate in the stock market been at discounted prices. You gotta be able to see that though, right? So B&Q has 159 holdings, all right? Right now it's priced at $84.89. Year to date, B&Q is only down $3.47. So it's down 3.93%. And in the past year, it is up $3.97, which is 4.91%. So that's not bad. You know what I'm saying? And my apologies too for not saying the price of the S&P 500. I believe that of the making of this video, the S&P is around like 520, 530. I don't want to get it wrong. So I didn't write it down. That's my apologies. But yeah, like I was saying though, B&Q the past year is up $3.97, which is 4.91%. And yeah, they definitely pay a dividend. So does the S&P 500. It pays a dividend as well. So if you want to own real estate in the stock market and you may not want to own like individual stocks, you can buy you some VNQ, buy and hold, right? And when prices go down, just dollar cost average down. You know what I'm saying? And then the last stock is VTI. VTI is the Vanguard Total Stock Market. Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund. Just saying. All right. So right now it's priced at $262.30, and year to date it is up $25.08. So 10.57% year to date, right? So as of today, and in the past year it is up $56.16. So 27.24% in 1 year. So if you want to own the total stock market, purchase VTI, right? When prices dip, when the stock market goes on a discount, get you some more VTI, buy and hold. Real talk. And VTI has 3,672 holdings. So just think about it, bro. Like me personally, yes, I own individual stocks. Absolutely. Absolutely. I just told y'all I bought Tesla and Google and Amazon, right? So I have individual stocks in my portfolio, but I also know like the ETFs, it balances it out in some way, shape, or form. Real talk. So those are 3 ETFs that if you want to make it a little bit easier for yourself, put those in your portfolio and, you know, own more shares, okay? I know some people not a fan of ETFs. I know some people going to just sit there and say, just buy growth stocks or buy tech stocks or buy this, that, whatever. You do what you want to do. That is your, whatever you want to do is what you want to do. It's just for the people that feel as if, I don't know what stocks to buy, or I don't want to buy the wrong stock, and blah, 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 blah. Just simmer it down. Get you some ETFs and cool it. That's it. The ETFs have the stocks in the fund. Okay? So, yeah, that's just that though. I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. Thank you to anybody that stayed throughout this whole entire video. Shout outs to everybody in the community. SR, no fat, stock market, owning some type of real estate, financial community. Everybody get a shout out. Shout outs to the Most High God for even getting me through this video. Real talk. And yeah, man, that's it. I'm about to finish my workout, go out there later on today, do my Uber Eats grind, keep on, you know, creating, keep on producing, and keep on going within. Real talk. Like, I respect myself for this video too, because your ego can sit there and say, oh, no, the people might sit there and kind of downplay you because you on day one. Nobody cares. At the end of the day, nobody cares, right? It's just keeping it real with yourself and living from your spirit. Real talk, right? So, that's it though. I appreciate y'all. It's your boy Thomas Carter. Yes, sir.